Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix AFK Journey game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem, or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. First fix is to simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then relaunch Steam and then relaunch the AFK Journey game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -dx11 or -dx12. So open Steam, right click on AFK Journey game and then select properties. In the launch options type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -dx12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% of the verification has been done, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the AFK Journey game folder. Here select AFK Journey exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the AFK Journey game folder, select this AFK Journey exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Here it is. Now after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark and then click OK to save changes and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EACT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. And then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 5 is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first double click this AFK Journey exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then try to launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking the AFK Journey exe file and then check. If that doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes. Just uncheck all these three boxes, then click on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 62 update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel websites. Links are provided in my video description. You have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and download and install the latest version of the graphic card driver. And then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA graphic card driver website, enter your graphic card driver version, enter operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is that latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the AFK Journey folder, select this AFK Journey exe file and then click on add. After adding it, expand it and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix it is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties and then disable this option. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just disable it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Now if you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable Discord overlay as well. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, disconnect multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razor Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once again. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the AFK Journey game. So simply uninstall AFK Journey game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve AFK Journey game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem, or freezing issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.